what's up guys? I'm back for another tutorial. I'm late as fuck posting this, but you want to start off by gluing your eyebrows down, and then you want to paint your face pink. I'm using the Wet n Wild paint palette, and I'm just going to use a flat angle brush, and I'm going to make my whole self pink from my face to my neck. And you just want to spread everything out evenly. This is literally the longest part of the tutorial. Okay, now that you're nice and covered, you want to start with your brows, which I'm just filling in with some purple paint from the exact same Wet n Wild paint palette, and then I'm just adding that purple to my cheeks and nose, and then I'm using some purple lipstick for my lips, and then I'm just going to add some glow from the Moonchild glow palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to add that same glow to my eyes. Like I said, this is a troll, so you want to add sparkle. You want to add some stickers everywhere. These are just stickers I had laying around that had like cupcakes in them and bumblebees, things that I feel like Poppy would have on her face. So you just want to keep on adding these things, and then I added some things to my hair. Like I said, these are stickers, so do it at your own discretion. And I'm just taking some liquid highlighter and putting that underneath my eyes and over my eyes just for some extra glow, and you are done with this tutorial. Hi guys, I'm a troll. I hope you guys enjoy my video and enjoyed my tutorial. I hope you guys are enjoying 13 days of Kreep. We are almost through. Make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye!